Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to give your iPhone a personalized touch by changing its name? Today I will show you how to easily change the name of your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on General. Then you tap on About at the top of the General setting. At the very top, you will see the name field. Tap on it. Erase the current name and type in the new name you want for your iPhone. Once you are done, tap Done on your keyboard. And that's it, guys. You've successfully changed the name of your iPhone. It's a simple way to personalize your device and make it truly yours. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.